All right, good afternoon. So tell us who you are and a little bit about yourself.
Well, my name is Simone Cook, still getting used to that. Just happened about 2 months ago. And I am the mother of 3 wonderful children and grandma or Omi, of 10. And I have been with Aflac 22 years, and I just absolutely love to work in the Springfield surrounding area and helping the community. The 3 kids, 2 boys, 1 girl, and the grandkids, half of them are here, half of them are in North Carolina, and that is my ultimate happiness, I should say, is to have Clay in my life, the grandkids, and the kids. They bring me best joy. I was born in Germany and raised there for a few years. I still have some family there. I get to go back every so many years and see them. And I'm from a beautiful city on the Rhine called Cologne, or Cologne, back where I'm from. People always ask, do you speak German? I said, yes, that is my first language. I actually learned English, and then I learned American.
Okay. How did you find Unity of Springfield?
Oh, Unity. I've been looking for something. I was raised Catholic for 40 years, and I've always looked for something. And Sue was to become minister finally, and I went for support. Sue's been a longtime friend of mine, and I went and I supported her. It said welcome home to me, and I never left.
What are some of your favorite memories over the years at Unity?
Oh my gosh. We've had lots of wonderful fundraisers. We've had lots of amazing people that some are gone, but they've all left great lessons, and the friendships are amazing. We went through periods of time where I was on the board for many years, and we did things like take the pews out and put chairs in. We kind of like to rock it a little bit, but we get so much use out of the sanctuary now that I never regretted that decision. We've gone through some good times and bad times, and I just feel like right now is an amazing time for Unity of Springfield.
What is one of your favorite Unity principles and why?
Whoa, that is a rough one. Mainly it is God's got us, right? You just got to believe, and God is always there. If you know that He has got the best, He knows what we don't. We limit ourselves. He doesn't. So if you just get out of the how and let it happen, life is good.
Okay, so I understand you served on the board for quite a while. So tell us about your experience on the board and some fun memories with that.
Oh, some of my best memories are when we went on the retreats, and a lot of times we went down to Branson, and we all got to spend the weekend together, and we worked hard, but we came up with the most amazing visions and the most amazing ideas. That was the best times. We've had to deal with some really good things and decisions to move Unity forward, and then we've also had to deal with some really rough decisions about the things we've had to brought to our attention that we had to work through the mud on.
Why should someone come to Unity of Springfield?
We are all accepting, all loving. Same reason I came. It's some place that I can call home. It literally is my spiritual home. The people here are family. I think I've been around 18 years or plus. I don't know. I think once they get involved, that's the key, to get involved in things. They tend to feel at home and don't leave.
Awesome. And tell us, I know the first year that the cold crisis shelter started, you were really involved in it. Tell us what that was like and how you saw Unity change from that.
Oh my gosh, how Unity changed, how I changed. You always look at the homeless. We've done stuff through the years, and until you get that close, up front, in person interaction with them, you don't really know. One of the best things that I loved was their stories. Everybody's story is different. I got to buy them clothes. There was actually a lady that asked me for a certain size bra. I went and shopped for her, and she was tickled to death. She hadn't had a bra that fit right in years. Just simple things like that. We all think food initially, or shelter, and sometimes it's just the little things. And Unity is more rewarded. I think they're more recognized in the community now for that. And we get to be favorite people, and I hope this next year I get to be a bigger part. I've had a lot of stuff going on in life in the last 2 years, and I've been behind the scenes, but yeah, that's one of the things I hope to get back in, because I encourage everyone to try it, either by being there for an evening to have them come in and check them in, or spending the night and just getting to hear their stories. Come on in.